Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, I'm very excited to introduce our guest, Miss Isabella Martinez, a coffee shop consultant and former cafe owner who has helped many small coffee businesses succeed. Isabella, welcome to the Sam Podcast.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm so happy to be here. And I heard you like to debate about business plans.
Oh, yes, especially when it comes to coffee shops.
Perfect, because I have strong opinions.
Smile to both speakers. Let's start with something simple. Many people dream of opening a coffee shop. It feels cozy, creative, and relaxing. But writing a business plan is not relaxing at all.
That's true. Most people love the idea of latte art, but they don't love spreadsheets.
Exactly. So the first question is, why is a business plan important for a coffee shop?
Because coffee shops have high competition and tight profit margins. Without a plan, you're just guessing.
I agree. The business plan is like a map. Without it, you get lost. Let's begin with the executive summary. I believe it should clearly state the concept, target market, and financial goals.
Yes, but it must also show personality.
Personality?
Yes. Is it a modern cafe for students, a premium specialty coffee shop, a quiet workspace for freelancers?
So branding begins in the executive summary.
Exactly.
For example, our coffee shop will offer high-quality specialty coffee in a comfortable environment for university students and remote workers.
That's clear, but also mention your unique selling point.
Such as?
Locally roasted beans, organic ingredients, live music nights, fast Wi-Fi and charging stations.
You're right. Differentiation is key. Now, let's talk about market research. Coffee shops are everywhere.
Exactly, and that's why research is critical.
What should be included?
First, analyze competitors. Visit nearby coffee shops, check their prices, menu variety, and customer traffic.
Should we include big international chains in the analysis?
Yes, definitely. Even if you're small, they influence customer expectations.
Good point.
Also, analyze customer behavior. How often do people buy coffee? What time is peak hour?
Morning rush before work.
And afternoons for students and freelancers.
So the business plan must include customer profile and market demand estimation.
Exactly.
Location is everything in a coffee shop business.
Yes, but here comes our disagreement.
Oh no.
You always say high traffic area.
Because visibility increases sales.
Yes, but rent can be extremely expensive.
But if nobody sees your shop, how will you survive?
Through community building and digital marketing.
Let's compare two options. Option A, busy city center, high rent, strong visibility. Option B, near a university campus, moderate rent, focused customer group.
I choose near the university.
Why?
Students buy coffee regularly, they stay longer, they bring friends.
But they spend less money per order.
True, but higher volume can compensate.
So in the business plan, we must include a location cost-benefit analysis.
Yes, calculate rent, expected daily sales, and break-even point.
Now let's talk about the menu.
This is exciting.
Obviously, coffee is the main product.
Yes, but you must decide, basic coffee or specialty coffee.
What's the difference in planning?
Specialty coffee requires skilled baristas and higher quality beans, which increases costs.
But you can charge higher prices.
Exactly.
Should a coffee shop also sell food?
Definitely. Pastries, sandwiches, cakes. Food increases average order value.
But it also increases complexity, storage, hygiene, suppliers.
That's why it must be carefully planned in the business plan.
So include menu categories, pricing strategy, and cost per item.
Yes, and estimated profit margin for each product.
Let's move to equipment.
Espresso machine, coffee grinder, refrigerator, oven, furniture.
High-quality espresso machines are expensive.
Very expensive, but they are the heart of the coffee shop.
Should beginners buy or lease equipment?
It depends on cash flow.
See, we always return to money.
Because business is about sustainability.
So in the financial section, include equipment cost breakdown and depreciation.
Yes.
Manners and app gestures to indicate the agreement and the concept of each part tracking. Marketing for coffee shops must be creative.
Absolutely.
Opening promotions?
Buy one, get one free on the first week.
Loyalty cards?
Very effective.
Social media presence?
Essential. Instagram photos of latte art, short videos of drink preparation.
So the business plan must include marketing budget and strategy timeline.
Yes, and measurable goals.
Let's discuss operations.
Daily management is challenging.
Staff hiring is critical.
Barista skills affect customer satisfaction.
Working hours?
Maybe 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.?
Cleaning procedures?
Food safety standards must be clear.
Inventory tracking for milk and coffee beans?
Exactly. Waste must be minimized.
Now comes the serious part.
Yes.
Startup costs. Rent deposit, renovation, equipment, initial inventory, marketing, licenses.
Monthly costs, rent, salaries, utilities, ingredient restocking, maintenance.
We must calculate average daily sales needed to break even.
Yes, for example, if monthly expenses are $10,000 and average profit per cup is $2, how many cups must be sold?
That's 5,000 cups per month.
Exactly, around 167 cups per day.
That calculation must appear in the business plan. Coffee shop risks include rising rent and fluctuating coffee bean prices,
Also, changing customer trends.
and strong competition.
So include contingency plans,
Emergency savings.
flexible menu pricing.
I believe passion for coffee is the foundation.
Passion is important, but discipline keeps the doors open.
You always bring it back to discipline.
Because many coffee shops fail in the first year.
That's true.
A business plan reduces risk.
So what's the balance?
Love coffee, understand numbers, respect customers.
I like that. To write a business plan for a coffee shop, include
Executive summary with concept and uniqueness.
market research and competitor analysis,
Location strategy.
menu planning and pricing,
Equipment and setup costs.
marketing plan,
Operational structure.
financial projections and break-even analysis,
Risk management.
and long-term growth plan. Isabella, this debate was energizing, almost like strong espresso.
I agree.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
And to our listeners, if you're dreaming of opening a coffee shop, don't just imagine the smell of coffee. Write the plan first.
Because a great cup of coffee starts with the right recipe, and a successful business starts with the right plan.
See you in the next episode of Season 3.